Hi, this is AA Belder AA, Alex here, and I'm doing a review on the KWA M4A1. This gun was made by KWA in the US, and it was, I got it for $415 at buyairsoft.ca. Buy Airsoft has pretty fast shipping in 4 days, which was surprising to me. And it comes with a 9.6 volt 1600 Mac battery and charger, and it also has a 350 round clip, and it also comes with a barrel cleaner. Now everything on this gun is pretty much metal except for the foregrip over here and the lower receiver over here. The clip, the barrel, the sight, everything. And the stock is nylon fiber. It hurts quite a lot to get hit with this at 400 FPS, and it's got an adjustable nylon fiber stock in 6 positions. Now the 9.6 volt 1600 Mac battery that it has is in the foregrip here, which allows the stock to be adjustable. This gun is it's noticeably heavier because of all the metal on it than other guns, but it makes up for it because it's just it shoots just straight with .25s and at 400 FPS. I would rate this 9 out of 10 because even though it is heavy, it is well worth the money, and as usual, it has safe, semi, and automatic modes. Now we're going to be doing the testing. Alright, this is going to be the shooting test at approximately 60 feet on semi-automatic. Alright, now for full auto.
So let me wind the clip.
Alright, this is now 80 feet on semi-auto.
Now for fully auto.
Alright, here's the results for our shooting test. As you can see, not all of them have hit directly in the center of the Honey Nut Cheerios box, but that doesn't really matter because it's about the same width as a person, and if you hit a person, it's an out, so this is pretty good accuracy for how many rounds we fired. And some of the rounds haven't left marks because they may have been duds and bounced off, but most of them have hit the target. Anyway, this has been AA Belder AA. Please subscribe and leave comments.